Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Here is one brother, Azhar Ali. Azhar Ali, how old are you?
I am 20.
He's 20 years old, and about 1 year and a half, I saw him and his brother in the mosque, and they were very, very heavyweight. So I brought them into my office, and because I have the weight machine, so I requested them to weigh. And his brother Ghazi, who is the elder brother, sorry, how old is Ghazi?
He is 29 at the moment.
He's 29, but at that time, 1.5 years before, he was 28. And Azhar Ali was 19. And Azhar's weight was 163. This is true?
Yeah, that's true.
And his brother's weight was 160 kg. So you just see, in the age of 19, weight of 163, and in the age of 29, weight of 160 is very, very dangerous. In any age, it is very dangerous. So in my life, I have seen many overweight people, but I never saw this type of heavy weight. So I gave them about 1 hour lecture of awareness that your life will be miserable, and you can have a heart attack, etc., etc. Perhaps, alhamdulillah, they listen with care, and then I gave them a sort of medicine, but that is a cleaning procedure, which I give the name BFP. When you use it, it starts reducing your weight. Why? Because it does internal cleaning. You get loose motion 4 or 5 times in 24 hours, and then you start losing weight. So when Azhar Ali lost his weight, because of that, then you just got eagerness in shauq.
Yes.
So he got love to reduce the weight, and then you tell the rest of the story. Then what did you do next?
After that, you gave me the medicine. I took the medicine. I felt really good after losing like 5-6 kilograms. I felt much better. My sleeping pattern.
In 1 week?
Yeah, 1 week. And then after that, I slept better. My movement, everyday life was better. And then after that, I've joined something called CrossFit. It's called it's basically like army training.
CrossFit?
Yes, without staying there. And then after you gave me all the lectures, I realized how important health is. And then after that, I just decided to take everything seriously, and I managed to lose all my weight. And currently, I just weigh about 82 kilograms.
And now, at the moment, you are 82 kg.
Yes, I am.
So you just see, roughly he lost half of his weight. Yani 163, if you divide by 2, then it is 81.5. So now he is 82. That means roughly half. And now, mashallah, you just see, show your muscles. Now you see, before it was just a loose mass, okay?
Yes.
And now, alhamdulillah, strong muscle, feel healthy, and you must be feeling proud of yourself.
Yes.
And also, now today, he came to do GCSE exam because clearly before your life was just miserable.
Yes.
And now he started taking interest, and he's coming back for GCSE. And through this platform, I give you one more good news, that I'm so pleased today I gave you £10 reward, okay? But I will give you more reward. We will arrange free classes for yourself, okay? For you, and English, math, science, because you are pride of our community, because having this type of enthusiasm is a very, very great thing. Now you just see, I phoned your brother, but he is still in the same scenario.
Yes.
His weight is still around 160. Why? Because he just lost weight at that time, about 6 kg, but he did not took it onward. Now he promised, oh Dr. Nazir, now I realize I will come back, because now you are becoming example for him.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So inshallah, you will become example for many, many people.
Inshallah.
Why? Because in our masjid there is one Maulana, he is from Bangladesh, and you are from Bangladesh as well.
Yes,
That Maulana's weight is more than 160, and many times I ask him, Maulana Sahab, come and reduce your weight. But he does not take serious. Many times he promised, but he did not act upon. So you see, the first stage is realization, and then the second stage is action. Now clearly, you were not happy with that weight even before my meeting, but you did. No one give you hope. No one show you the way. So one is, maybe some people used to take fun of you, make our joke, but no one gave you serious and sincere advice. So Alhamdulillah, by grace of Allah, I always do this, and due to this reason, many people have got benefit. So Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy, and clearly you must be thinking to pay thanks to me, but I pay thanks to you. Why? Because you have clearly proved that any target is possible. Okay? And anything a human want, they can achieve. And